Hello, I am Jerry Gano and welcome once again to 2-Minute Tuesdays with W-L Alfalfas. As we prepare for late summer alfalfa seeding, there are some things to be mindful of. We will discuss 3 of those today. First is autotoxicity. Autotoxicity is the ability of the mature alfalfa plant to generate a toxin that is toxic to surrounding alfalfa plants, about a 16-inch diameter around each plant. The toxin is especially impactful to seedling alfalfa, and the toxin remains in the soil for many months. The best method to avoid toxicity is crop rotation. 2 years on heavy soils and a minimum of 1 year on light and sandy soils, with at least one crop in between, and plenty of irrigation or rainfall between the alfalfa crops. Unfortunately, there are no known resistant levels to autotoxicity that can be incorporated into alfalfa genetics. Salt and sodium are major problems throughout the growing areas of alfalfa production. Water with high salt and sodium content is an increasing factor from many water sources. Establishing a new stand in these conditions takes careful planning and management. Strive to be ready to seed alfalfa into these conditions right after a general rainfall event of 1 inch or more. This helps flush these salt and sodium residues below the germination zone, giving the seedling a better opportunity to establish itself. Try to limit the amount of water with high salt and sodium content that is applied during seedling establishment. I know, easier said than done, but work diligently to give that new seeded stand the best opportunity to flourish. Do what is needed to correct pH levels before seeding. Alfalfa works well in pH soils of 7.0 to 8.1. If there are no other limiting factors, soils below 6.5 pH will have significant yield limitations, so be advised that soil pH correction should be achieved prior to planting. If high pH is a factor, then the application of gypsum is encouraged. W-L alfalfa varieties have undergone rigorous testing to provide strong seedling vigor to compete with many environmental influences that impact alfalfa seeding. Plant W-L alfalfas and be confident that you are providing an excellent opportunity for the successful establishment of that new alfalfa stand.